Okay, I'm at a Dodge dealership. I was having a problem with my car. It took too long to start. So I saw a couple of videos that showed that starter relay was a problem. And I just wanted to see if that was the actual problem. I bought it at the dealership. Cost about $22. It was in slot 9 of the fuse box. Let me see if it works. It took too long to start. Maybe about 10 seconds or something like that to start. Hopefully this works. Yep, so it was the starter relay. Guess that's the problem if you're having this issue. So again, if it takes too long to start and it gets progressively worse from 3 seconds to 6 seconds to 10 seconds and it still doesn't start, starter relay could be the problem. This is the 2008 Dodge Charger XXT. Thank you.